Too, sure you know that I'm in for the sick. I really give a fuck cause I'm in cause she think. And I know that she gon' take this dick cause I'm in cause she in. And I don't really give a fuck cause she know that she sippin' on hen. And she fuckin' with a nigga, but she know she ain't lean. I don't really give a fuck what you talk about. She gon' come for me. It's all for this money. Cause little bitch, no trust, no love. What you talking about? Like a yellow school bus. And I keep it so good, but I got the tube up. If a nigga wanna talk about it, nigga can fool us. I don't really give a damn, but I know what it's about. Niggas say what it's talking about, cause I'm in the mouth, and I'm really getting goods, and I'm really getting in. I don't really give a fuck, cause nigga, I'm your friend. I'm your friend, and I'ma get it in to the end. I'ma show you how this shit began. I'ma start it up like a motor truck. I get it up, start it up, handkerchiefs. Go ahead and wipe your nose. I'm coming through with that bully boy style, you know. Got your hoe up in the headlock. She can't get enough. She trying to get that bread lock. She can't get enough. I got her bent over the bar stool, beat it up, have her stuck in a man. Fuck with her body on what? Yeah, got her friends too, come and jump in. And all them hoes going in. Let's show you how it began. Nigga, I keep starting it over and over, that's how I do. Niggas like a repeat of these bitches come times two. You should've known when you fucking fool with the dude. Ooh, yeah. I come in with that shit, nigga. I'm so sane. It didn't matter, little nigga. You see gold on the chain. You niggas mad. You lame. You niggas ain't in my lane. I'm ready to speak it. What it is, nigga, I don't know no thing. Fuck what you talk about, nigga. Cause you ain't so cold. I don't really give a fuck, nigga. You ain't put it on the soul. You a nigga talk shit, but nigga, you a hoe. I let you nigga know, nigga, at the fucking store. I seen you at the corner, nigga, what the fuck you front for? I don't give a fuck, nigga, you ain't got no info. 20 on the motherfucker, straight bitch now. No, you don't want to put that